this kit, we have a metal extension arm and we have 2 attachments. The lighter gray piece is the upright attachment. The darker gray piece is the pegboard attachment. This has 2 prongs and the upright attachment has 1 prong. For the upright attachment, we use the lighter gray plastic piece that has a single prong. So you'll insert the metal extension arm into the plastic piece, like so. You'll hear a click and you'll know it's secure. You'll then take the sign, line up the holes with the metal extension arm, and hang the sign like so. Then, to attach the sign to the upright piece, insert the prong in the plastic piece into the upright metal piece. To assemble the metal extension arm into the plastic attachment, you take this rounded straight end and you insert it into the plastic attachment. You'll hear a click and you'll know that it's secure within the piece. So then you'll take the arm and you'll line up the holes of the sign with the holes on the metal extension arm, like so. You will then take the whole sign and attach it into the pegboard by lining up 2 of the holes and 2 of the prongs and inserting it and hanging.